With large single-story floor plans starting at $477,990, D.R. Horton's at it again up in Centennial Hills in a neighborhood called Cascade Manor. But today we are taking a look at the 2538, which is a large single-story floor plan as well. And that tour and design details coming up after the intro. Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking at model homes and existing inventory to make your next shopping experience for your home all the more easy. If this is the first video you've seen from me, welcome. I really appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. If you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. And on today's video, we are headed up to Cascade Manor up in Centennial Hills, built by D.R. Horton. This neighborhood is almost done with the first phase, and the second phase is going to be opening very soon. This is the final phase, and keep in mind that this builder is building these out extremely fast and they will not be here very long. So today we are taking a look at the 2538 model. It is a 2,538 square feet given the name. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage, all within single story on a large lot size, which I'll show you in the tour. So let's get out there, take a look. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video as we will be going over the decorating that the builder decided to do. So make sure you stick around for that also. But as for now, let's get out there and check it out. Come on. Welcome up to Centennial Hills, everybody. Today we are at Cascade Manor, which is built by D.R. Horton. This floor plan is the 2538. It is a single story, 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom with a 3-car garage. This particular floor plan does start at 510,990 and is located right along Centennial Hills Parkway. You're going to get an option of 3 different elevations. There is the A, which is a bit more of a farmhouse style. There is the B, which is the model we're touring today. It's a little bit more of a Spanish style. And the C, which is a really modern look. These floor plans are 2,300 plus square feet. You do need a pretty good size home site. Here's what they look like. By my estimation, they were roughly 0.2 to about a 1/4 acre each. Now keep in mind that you are going to pay a premium for each home site depending on the size. The larger it is, obviously, the more expensive it's going to be. The pavers on the front driveway are going to be included, as well as the walkway, and on the back covered patio, as well as the front landscaping and irrigation. Got a nice covered front entry there. Let's go ahead and head on inside. Welcome inside the 2538 plan, guys. So this community actually is being used by the agents of D.R. Horton here. Risa is in the bedroom over here, so unfortunately we weren't able to go in that bedroom or the bathroom right here. But keep in mind that this bedroom we're going to go here in just a second is a mirror copy of that bedroom. And then the bathroom right there is a full bathroom to accommodate both of these bedrooms. It's very intriguing decorations they have in here with the technical difficulties on the background. Definitely reminds me of some of my stuff from time to time. I really enjoy the fact how D.R. Horton includes a lot of the features inside of their home. For example, I really like that they do tile through most of their home and do carpet in the bedrooms, things like that. They have really nice upgrades throughout the home. You get the beautiful doors that you see here, the rounded edges. Just simple little upgrades like that D.R. Horton already includes, which is really nice. There's a look inside of a linen closet right here. And here's the laundry room. We have the cabinetry up above. That is not going to be included. That will be an upgrade. It is going to be hooked up with a gas dryer there. Definitely room for a sink if you want to add that in as well. Take a look at this living room. What do you think of that wall? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys are finding value out of this video so far, make sure you give it a like. It really helps out the channel and the video a lot. Thank you. Now, as you guys know, I tour a lot of model homes. One thing that I do enjoy about this model a lot is they don't have a huge waste of space in this model. There is a large great room here, but it is very functional because they have the bedroom to the left and the right of the great room here, and then the dining room is off over here. There's plenty of room for a larger table than what they put in there. The kitchen is really functional. You have a really nice large size island for working and for guests to hang out and entertain as well. You have a nice triangle pattern for your workflow. What I mean by that is your workspace in the kitchen to where the refrigerator is and the stovetop or the oven. It really flows very well. And then the granite here, I think they chose a really nice color. It is very beautiful. I love the splotches of red in it with the black accents. The white color keeps it nice and clean looking. And then against the single panel chestnut colored cabinetry there, really beautiful. You have a single bowl undermount sink here. They have reverse osmosis already installed in this model, so it's an option. You got stainless steel appliance package included. And headed over towards the pantry now. The light wasn't on, so I turned that on so we can get a better look. It was actually very deep. Imagine how much food you can fit in here. Holy cow. Could darn near feed an army out of this pantry, am I right? I'm gonna come out of the kitchen now. We're gonna take a closer look at the tile on the floor that they have in an offset brick pattern. It's really nice soft tan color. Goes really well with the overall ambiance of the house and creates a nice warm atmosphere. The house will include tile flooring through the main areas. The bedrooms will be carpeted, but I'm sure at the design studio they'd be happy to assist you in choosing other tile or continue the same tile throughout the entire home. Coming into the third bedroom now, this is what I'd like to call quote-unquote a mini master. It is a smaller bedroom than the master suite, but it does have its own bathroom and a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet is actually quite nice sized. Bathroom here is decorated the same as the kitchen. They have that nice chestnut cabinetry with the shower. Technically, I suppose this would be a 3/4 bath since it is only a shower, not a tub combo. It's also worth mentioning at the design studio, you will have an option to upgrade those 3/4 baths to a full bath or just a shower, however you want. Same thing with the master bathroom here as well. And then coming around the living room to the other side, you come into the primary suite. It is a very large primary suite. I do like how they decorate it here. It's still very simplistic. I love the credenza that they have here, and it was in a previous model that I toured as well. Now the HOA in this community I thought was rather steep. It was into the $80 mark, and all they were including was the management of the community as well as the maintenance of the streets and the common areas. To me, that's a bit steep if that's all you're going to be including. I would maybe say that might be worth $40 a month at the most, not $80. There's a look at one of the two walk-in closets. Both very large, they're the same size. And then around to the primary bathroom. Very functional. It's going to be an adult-sized vanity there, meaning it's a little bit taller than the other bathrooms. The shower surround is the same granite that you've seen throughout the rest of the home. To me, it's a little bit busy. I didn't necessarily enjoy that particular part. I would have done a tile on the wall there or some kind of other stonework just to break it up. It's a water closet there. Now we're going to go out the back and take a look at the covered patio real quick. It was very bright outside on this day, so we are actually going to cut right here and change the settings so you can get a better look. Really nice size covered patio, very comfortable. And then the yard in the back is really nice size as well. You can do a lot back here. Plenty of room for a swimming pool or a spa, putting green, animal run, whatever you need. Alright, as we wrap up this tour, just one more quick sweep at the backyard and a quick look at the patio area so you have a good feel of what the size is. All these lots were about the same size, but let's go ahead and start talking about the design that they chose. The front elevation I think is really beautiful. I love the Spanish design and the stonework was amazing. The way they decorated up this bedroom is super unique, very original, very fitting for myself. I love how they decorated out the rest of the home. It's very beautiful, very simple and elegant. And then with those clean lines on the wall really adds a really nice texture to contrast against the wood grain that they have throughout some of the rest of the home, both here in the living room and in the dining room here. They have a really simple dining room table with pops of green with the succulents and the plants throughout. With the kitchen, one thing I noticed, I don't know if this was on purpose or not, but the red splotches and the chili cook-off kind of struck me as humorous in a way. Like it was kind of like a messy chili cook-off. I really enjoyed that. I don't know, I had a little chuckle to myself about it. And then the bedroom here, they had a really nice university feel with the strength and leadership and things like that. The primary bedroom continued the same theme as through the main part of the house with the wood look and the natural tones, and into the bathroom as well. Again, I didn't love the surround. I would definitely change that myself to some other kind of stone, like I said before. And that'll about wrap it up for today's tour. And what did you guys think of today's tour? What did you think of the 2538 model? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I think they do a really good job with this floor plan, and you can see it in a lot of their floor plans that they have available. They do like this style with the couple bedrooms up front and then potentially a dual or single master bedroom more towards the mid and the back of the house, especially on their single story floor plans. I do love the open concept design that they have in here, as well as kind of the semi-formal dining room that they have there. I would still consider that all part of one big great room, but also the covered patio out back is absolutely lovely. Wonderful feature to have included. But at the end of the day, I want to know what you guys thought of the model. It helps me decide on what kind of content to do in the future. So make sure you comment below and let me know. If you truly enjoyed this model and you would like to go out there and take a look at this with me, feel free to give me a call, text me, or email me. I'd be happy to schedule an appointment and get out there with you and tour together. If there's something else around the Las Vegas Valley that you'd like to see or potentially on this channel, just let me know. I'd be happy to get out there potentially with you and maybe film you doing the tour, and I could feature you on my next video. If you have any friends or family looking for a home like this, make sure you share this video over to them. They would really love to see it. I know they would appreciate it. And as always, I appreciate you stopping by today and touring with me. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.